Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to discuss an important long answer question from Unit 1 C++. What are C++ tokens? This is a long answer question. What are C++ tokens? So generally tokens are nothing but C++ components. So based on that we are going to developing the application through programmatically. So for that, to supporting different types of tokens are available in C++. Those are diagrammatically representation like this one, C++ tokens. C++ tokens that can be classified into different categories are there. First one, identifiers. And the second, keywords. Third, variables. Fourth, constants. Fifth, characters. And operators. These are the different types of tokens are available within the C++. Okay, now we need to briefly discuss each and every token. First, identifier. Identifier is nothing but simply the name of variable or a function or a label, and various other user defined items are called as identifier. Okay, note down the definition. Identifier means names of variables, functions, labels and various other user defined items are called identifiers. So an identifier can include the following characters. What are those? So actually identifiers, we need to declaration like as in alphabets. Those are small a to z or capital A to Z. And second, numbers or numerals that can be used 0 to 9 digits. Next, third, a special character that can be supported and used as an identifier within the C++, that is underscore. Symbol like this one, underscore. So whenever we need to declaration of an identifier, should be following the rule in a program. What is that? The first rule, an identifier, the length of an identifier can vary from 1 to several characters. Okay, and Second rule, it starts with a letter or underscore. Actually identifier starts with a letter or underscore. So next it cannot include spaces. Identifiers cannot include spaces. These are the rules you should be following when we are going to write the C++ programming. Next second keyword. Keyword are nothing but a reserved words. Keywords are nothing but a reserved words. This is a predefined words. So in the C++ that can be added extra keywords within the C++, that is private, public, protected, or for auto, etc. These are the some reserved words that should be added within the C++. The next third variables. These are tokens defined by user and used in a programming. Okay, actually user and used in a programming. Variables is nothing but, so generally memory storage location is called as a variable. Simply memory storage location. Memory storage location is called as variables. Generally example declaration of variable like this one. For example a is equal to 10. Now here a is called as a variable. Here a is equal to 10, declaration of variable. Here a is called as a variable. So what type of value? This is numeral value. That can be declaration within the data type, that is integer type, integer declaration here. Okay. The next fourth, constants. So generally constants means never changeable. Okay, never changeable. That can be classified into two categories are there, which is primary constants, and secondary constants. From the primary constants it should be added different constants are there, that is integer constant and float constant and character constants. These are the some constants are there. What are those? Which is constants, primary constant and secondary constant. So first from the primary constant, integer, float, character, and these are the character constants. The next string constants, and boolean constants. Boolean have contains two values is there, that is true and second one false. And from the secondary constants, that is included arrays, pointers, structures, comma unions and enumerations. These are the information about C++ tokens, very important in the final examination as a long answer question. Thank you.